Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best welding gloves on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Amazon Basics welding gloves. There's an excellent chance that the Amazon brand will eventually appear on just about every consumer product on this planet, though the first time I drink an Amazon beer will be a sad day, indeed. These welding gloves seem perfectly serviceable for the price and are even offered in a trio of colors. Pro tip: choose red or blue. Amazon says these leather gloves offer complete defense against molten metal, ultraviolet rays, and hot embers. However, Amazon says lots of things, so it's best to turn to the 100+ real-world reviews. Fortunately, the 4.5 out of 5 star rating largely backs up these assertions. Features: welding gloves for protecting hands from molten metal and UV rays. Includes 6 pairs of red leather welding gloves. Soft, supple leather exterior offers reliable durability without limiting dexterity. Interior cotton liner provides added comfort and heat resistance. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, wipes clean. Product dimensions: 13.6 into 0.8 into 5.7 inches. Pros: dirt cheap, long cuff. Cons: one size, annoying Amazon branding. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lincoln Electric traditional MIG stick welding gloves. The brand of Lincoln Electric makes some dandy welding machines, so it stands to reason they'd also put their name on a series of welding gloves. These things cover your meat hooks with high-grade leather that's lined by soft cotton. Common stress points are reinforced with leather so they don't wear out prematurely. Kevlar thread shows up here, too, along with a natty red flame design incorporated into the cowhide. Recent reviews are positive for the few poor souls who only got one glove in their order package. Note that some 5-star reviews came from customers who are using these things for grilling, not welding. Features: made of a high-grade leather and soft cotton liner which is designed to withstand and protect against high temperatures. The glove design features a high-grade leather exterior, Kevlar threading, leather-reinforced stress points and a fully lined interior to withstand daily exposure to heat, flames, spatter or sparks. The soft cotton hand liner and straight thumb design enhances comfort and fingertip sensitivity. The inside cuff is lined with a twill cotton which absorbs moisture during use. This glove model is used by professional fabricators on a daily basis. Recommended for stick welding, MIG welding, flux core welding or other high-temperature applications. Pros: known name, jazzy looks. Cons: inconsistent shipping accuracy. Number 3. Our third best pick is Revco top grain leather cowhide welding gloves. These welding gloves have a grain cowhide exterior with a soft cotton inside lining that's asserted to be not bulky at all. Its seamless index finger should help with precision placement of tools and materials. Reinforcement patches show up where they are sorely needed, in the palm, thumb, and index finger. Like others from well-known brands, these traditionally brown gloves are Kevlar stitched throughout for maximum durability and resistance from heat, sparks, and slag. Features: leather. MIG welding gloves with soft cotton lining, not bulky, and seamless index finger. Grain cowhide leather palm, split cowhide leather back. Reinforcement patches where you need it most, in the palm, thumb, and index finger. Kevlar stitched throughout for maximum durability and resistance from heat, sparks and slag. Pros: features that are recommended by your father. Cons: they look like your father's welding gloves. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is MAGID Inferno Series Impact Welders Gloves. Here's a glove option that merges the two markets of impact gloves and welding gloves to good effect. Back of hand protection is said to deflect and absorb impacts while delivering protection from heat and open flame. A premium grain goatskin leather shell provides dexterity and abrasion resistance. The manufacturer actually seems to respond to customer inquiries on Amazon, something few companies choose to do. The vast majority of real-world customers seem very happy with the gloves, but a few have complained about spotty quality, bringing down the overall rating. Features: flame-resistant M-Force defense system. Back-of-hand protection deflects and absorbs impacts while delivering protection from heat and open flame. Premium grain goatskin leather shell provides dexterity and abrasion resistance with stitched-in para-aramid blend knit fabric liner delivers an optimal fit and dependable cut protection. Gun cut pattern increases comfort and dexterity, and a fully lined 3/1/2-inch gauntlet cuff extends protection past your hands. Para-aramid stitching maintains heat and flame resistance and strengthens the glove. ANSI Level 4 abrasion resistance, ANSI Level 4 puncture resistance, EN 407:2004 certified for burning behavior Level 7. Pros: offered in a bunch of sizes. Cons: double the price of some others. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is RAPICCA leather welding gloves. This brand claims they are the only ones to offer double reinforced Kevlar layer padding on welding glove fingers, palms, and back of hand areas. In an impressively specific statement, the seller says these gloves are guaranteed to withstand extreme temperatures up to 932 Fahrenheit. The 16 inches extra long glove with 7.5 inches long sleeve protects your forearms from grinding debris, welding sparks, hot coals, and open flames. This helps explain why some reviews praise the glove's ability to handle a campfire. The seller is also remarkably active in the product Q&A section. Features: Kevlar insulated cotton with air-isolated aluminum foil. Imported. Reinforced double-layer Kevlar padding on finger, palm, elbow and back. Extreme 4-layer heat-resistant protection. Superior security for forearms. Extreme wear-resistant protection. Satisfaction guarantee. Pros: extra long design, robust construction. Cons: some say they are bulky. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.